Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. How are you feel today? I feel good today. I hope we all good today and always happy and healthy. Okay, my name is Nursusi Andriani. In here, I will explain about basic skill in teaching science of Islamic elementary school. As we know that science is a compulsory subject in every school. Science represents the knowledge about which natural change is a form of God that we can use to improve science. Making teacher assignments now can only help provide assistance. Speaking of children to ask questions, as we have discussed in the world of children or elementary school. Students who always want to try things, language, and use magic to understand their surroundings. Let them activate their world according to their abilities, but the teacher must also continue to regulate supervision. In this lesson, divided into 3 activities. The first activity is initial, activities core, and closing activities. The first initial activities. In these activities is expert to be the teacher can develop learning that is ready to use, mental, emotional, and even social students. Some activities that can be done to condition student learning readiness are: the first, greeting atau salam. Melalui ucapan salam menjadi sebab tersebarnya kecintaan, kebersamaan, keakraban antara guru dan siswa. Prayer atau berdoa. Dengan kita berdoa, kita berharap mendapatkan ilmu yang bermanfaat dari Allah. Yang ketiga, istinsot, yaitu menyuruh siswa untuk diam dan mendengarkan perkataan guru. Yang keempat, nida or method of calling. Metode memanggil. Contohnya, panggilan anak-anak dengan bangga dan penuh harap yang dapat menumbuhkan kasih sayang dan kedekatan seorang guru terhadap muridnya. And the second core activity atau aktivitas inti atau kegiatan inti. In this activity, students are approved to get the material that has been approved. The activities that can be done are those carried, the word observation atau observasi. Contohnya seperti siswa dapat mengamati berbagai makhluk hidup, benda, dan kenyataan lain di sekitarnya. And the second, calculation atau perhitungan. Contohnya di sini siswa dilatih untuk menghitung benda atau sesuatu di sekitarnya dan hasil perhitungannya dengan cara menggunakan tabel, histogram, atau grafik. And the third, measurement atau pengukuran. Di sini, siswa diperkenalkan dengan satuan ukur sentimeter atau satuan ukur lainnya. And the fourth, classification atau pengklasifikasian. Contohnya yaitu guru bisa menyuruh siswa untuk mengelompokkan berbagai jenis daun-daunan menurut bentuk, warna, dan lain sebagainya. And many more core activities that can be done. The purpose of this activity is students can achieve the basic competence to be achieved and students are involved in the learning process. Finally, the activities are closed atau kegiatan penutup. In addition to those conduct with discussion and greeting. In this activity, the teacher can provide an overview of what has been learned, such as summarize the collected, and the teacher who can give assignment to students to answer the material has been learned. Okay guys, I think enough for me, and I say alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.